Now I'm going to show you how you can submit an assignment or a file that you've completed through the Dropbox or through the assignments in the course to turn in. So I'm going to show you an example of this, and I'm going to use a 2.09 religion PowerPoint. So what you will have done was you completed your assignment. Maybe you completed it in PowerPoint or in Microsoft Word. So once your assignment is completed, you're ready to turn it in, then you're going to have to save that assignment. So you just go to File, Save As, and then you can decide where you want to save it on your computer. You might have different folders set up. You can save it in My Documents if you'd like, but it's important to remember where you save it because you're going to have to come back to it later. So for this example, I'm going to save this in my folder called My World History Assignments. Maybe you have a different folder for each of your classes. Maybe you have a World History folder. So I'm going to save this one in My World History Assignments. So I'm going to double click that folder. I just have to remember I saved it in My Documents, in My World History Assignments. And I'm going to call it, for example, Miss Barney's 2.09 Religion PowerPoint option. And so I just click on the Save button. And now my assignment has been saved, but I need to submit it so that the teacher can review it and it can be graded. So if you have to turn in a file, a Dropbox assignment, or it might just be called assignments, you go into your World History course page, and up at the top, the last option is called Tools. So you choose Tools, and you click on Assignments. And these are the various drop boxes where you can submit assignments. Make sure you choose the correct one. For example, I had just completed my 2.09 religion assignment. I saved it. Now I'm in Tools and Assignments, and I can see where I submitted here, 2.09 religion assignment Dropbox. So I'll select the correct Dropbox for that assignment. You can see there were some instructions on here for you to get started with that assignment, and once you're finished, you need to submit it into this Dropbox. So you go down to Submit Files, and you click on Add a File, and this is how you're going to send in your assignment. So you clicked Add a File, and next you're going to choose Upload. So now that I've chose Upload, I need to find that file that I saved. So this is where you have to remember where you had saved it. I saved it in the folder My World History Assignments. So go back here. There's the one I saved. It's my PowerPoint I want to turn in. So I'll select that by clicking on it. Then I'll choose Open. And you can see it attaches your file, your assignment that you want to turn in. Make sure you see it there. And then click Add. And it should come up as an attached file now. And if you want to send a message as you turn it in, you can write under your comments. And you have to make sure you click this blue Submit button. Again, just make sure that your file is attached. Click Submit. And it'll tell you that your file submission was successful. It'll tell you what was submitted. And then you can click on Done whenever you're finished. and I'll have to check those and grade them so your points won't come up automatically like they do whenever you submit a quiz or a test, but I will get to that as soon as I can, and I'll also write some comments. I'll give you some feedback on that assignment that you turned in, and you might have an update over here after I grade it, and you can read that feedback that I sent. Again, if you have any questions about how to submit an assignment, just let me know.